Today, I'll show you how to work inside one unified Affinity workspace so you stop switching apps and wasting time. In this second lesson of Affinity by Canva, I will walk you through the main parts of the interface and how to move from vector work to pixel editing to multi-page layout without closing your file. Start by looking at the top left of the screen. You'll find the white Affinity logo. Click it and the home screen will open. Let's choose an A3 canvas for now. After this, the three studio icons live. The first icon opens the Vector Studio for logos and scalable art. The second switches to Pixel Studio, which gives you full photo editing tools. The third is the Layout Studio for brochures, books, and multi-page work. Clicking in each studio instantly swaps the tools you need for that job. Besides these three main studios, if you click three dots, options for additional studios will open, like Canva AI, color grading, and typography. Let's toggle on Canva AI. You can also create your own custom studio, but personally, I find the default ones better. After that, you have the toggle to switch between vector and pixel view. Below the main toolbar is the context toolbar, and this is where the interface gets smart. It changes with the tool you select in the left toolbar, so a pen shows color and width of stroke, while selecting text shows fonts and kerning. That way, your screen only shows what matters right now. You can also dock and undock the context toolbar by double-clicking it. While undocked, you can move it by holding and dragging the left handle. You can place it where you like, or suggested transparent blue area by Affinity. Let's double-click to put it back. If you click the tools with an arrow in the left toolbar, a new dockable sub-toolbar for that tool will appear. Like the context toolbar, you can dock it anywhere you want, even horizontally. You can also customize tools, toolbar, and toggle panels by clicking the three dots in the left panel. On the right, you'll find your panels like Layers, Color, and Transform. These panels are fully customizable too. You can pull one out to float on a second monitor or dock it back to save space. A quick pro tip for you: save the interface that works for you. Open the window menu, choose Panels, then Add Preset. Name a preset for logo work or photo retouching, and you can switch your whole layout with one click. Now that you know the layout, the next video will dig into the part that really shapes the design, layers and masks, and how to edit non-destructively. If you want cleaner workflows and faster edits, that's the one to watch. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment what problem do you want me to solve in the next video. Take care and bye.